Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Jawpreneur, your girl again, and today I want to show us one powerful face mask. A face mask that I have used over and over again and have found I had great results. And I noticed that every time I decide to let go of this particular treatment, my face goes all rough again. And so I realized there is no harm in continuing with this treatment because, first off, it's all natural ingredients and so very safe. And being an oily skin person like myself and seeing results, I guess there's no reason to really stop. Yeah, right? Yeah, so I'll quickly point us to the ingredients. It's actually very simple ingredients you can get easily from your kitchen. And yeah, so first off is our cinnamon. I got this from a grocery store. I hope we can see it very clearly. Cinnamon, ground cinnamon. So this is cinnamon powder. And then this is turmeric. This is already prepared. This is locally prepared. That's why it's not in any branded container. This locally prepared turmeric powder. And this is also locally sourced honey. Yeah, here we are able to easily get honey right from the wild. So this is raw honey from the wild that you are looking at right now. Yeah, and usually they come cheaper and higher quality than store-bought honey. Yeah, so these are basically the ingredients we're going to be using for this power-packed face mask. If you want to have smooth, clear, glowing, brighter skin. Yeah. So, what do we need to get this mixture together? It's simply a bowl. Yeah, a bowl like this one. Any bowl would do, but I use one of these, my little bowls. I have them in plastics, I have them in glass. Yeah, so this is a glass bowl. And then, yeah, you need something to mix with. My famed mixer, yeah, spatula. Um, at this point, I need us to know that I'm not one for measurements. I most times eyeball my ingredients, and that is about what I'm going to do right now. Now, this cinnamon, I prefer opening the whole cap, taking the whole cap off. I purposely left the seal in place to uh, prevent air. That was my own way of making it airtight. So all I need to do is I usually dip from my cinnamon first before going to turmeric. So yeah, let's get some of this out. Yeah, this quantity should do for one application. This is just one time uh, application. Yeah, this is looking like a teaspoonful. Yeah, I think it's about a teaspoonful. Yeah, and our turmeric, good old turmeric. I'm still going to put about the same quantity of turmeric, about the same 1 teaspoonful. Yeah, 1 teaspoonful. Same quantity with the most times you don't really need to have it in equal portions because turmeric, it's even in pinches can do a great deal of work. But yeah, I'm going to let me be sure I have the same thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is about the same thing here. Okay, Let me keep them properly covered. And then about the same quantity of honey. Don't worry, I'll be able to get the quantity. It's not a problem. Yeah, so that's the quantity. Since it's from the wild, you can still see some bits of honey, bee parts in it. Interesting, right? Yeah, so that's it. And you start mixing. Now, by the time you start mixing initially, it looks like you don't have enough honey in there, but not to worry. It eventually gets the other ingredients thoroughly dissolved, and you find that you had more than enough honey. You did not really need to add in any more honey. Now you mix this thoroughly and ensure you've had the turmeric and cinnamon powders properly dissolved in the honey. Now, I usually prefer a consistency that is not really drippy, so that by the time you apply it to your face, it doesn't run down. Okay, that is not running. I beg your pardon. So that by the time you apply it to your face, it doesn't run down your face. So the consistency should also be put into consideration, not runny, so that it stays on your face while you wait for it to do its magic. Yeah. So by the time you are done with the mixing, this is about the sort of consistency that you should have. And that is about it with your mixture. Yeah. So when you've done this mixture thoroughly, the next thing you need to do is get in your bathroom, thoroughly cleanse your face. Some people tend to use baby wipes to wipe over their face before application. Well, that is okay if you feel comfortable with that. But what I would do is do a thorough cleansing of my face and towel dry, and then before I apply this turmeric to my face, turmeric and cinnamon mixture to my face. Now, you ensure that as you apply, you avoid your eyes. Please do not put it into your eyes. You could leave it on your lips so it will help exfoliate. There's no problem about that. Don't forget this is food in itself. So after you apply onto your face, you leave it on for me, I leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before I go into the bathroom to take my shower. Now, I usually prefer to apply this before my taking my bath so that I am sure I have done a thorough rinse off. Now, let me sound a warning here. Turmeric stains. This guy here stains. So you don't want to have anything on you that you wouldn't want stained. So what I usually do is whenever I want to apply this face mask, I am completely stripped except for a towel. That is how I usually keep myself prepared to apply this face mask. I keep my hair into a shower cap as well to keep my hair out of the way. I make sure everything that I do not want to have turmeric stains on is taken completely out of the way before I apply this mask. Now, when you go into the bathroom after 30 to 45 minutes of application of leaving it on your face rather, you want to first of all wet your hands before touching your face so that it softens up the face marks on your face a bit, and doesn't let the cinnamon rub your face raw, because the cinnamon has particles that you will notice when you start to wash your face off. Now, when you are washing your face off, please rub gently. I would suggest you rub gently for a few short minutes before you eventually rinse off with warm water. I prefer rinsing off with warm water rather than cold water. And when I am done with this guy here, the bowl and the spatula, I also prefer rinsing off, or rather washing off, with hot water to ensure I don't leave any stains behind on my spatula in particular, because this guy is plastic. Okay, I wouldn't worry too much about the glass, but if it was plastic, it would be a good idea to wash off immediately using hot water and your dish washing your liquid dishwasher. Okay, now when you are in the bathroom washing off your face, you need to be careful of your towels and so on. When you're done washing your face, you need to look around and wipe out all the turmeric stains as well, so you don't leave your bathroom messy. I promise you, this can be messy, but I also assure you it is worth all the trouble, worth all the drama. It really is worth all of it. Yeah. So when you are done with all of the washing and rinsing, you might need to rinse off like 2 times with your face wash before you get all the turmeric stains off your face. Even if your face is stained for the first day, don't worry, it's not a permanent stain. You will see your face clearing out. That much I can assure you. Now, when my face gets, I leave this treatment for quite a while, and my face gets all rough and whatever again. No, as a busy lady, I tend to want to ignore my skincare routine at times, but my attention comes back when I notice my skin getting rough again. So when I go back into, drastic treatment, I do this every single day for at least 1 week, or a little above 1 week, and my face is glowing again. But I would advise you give yourself 2 weeks to be sure you have the results you really need. But after the last experience, I decided, after the 2 weeks intensive face mask application, I wouldn't want to go back on the way I was looking. So it became a habit for me that every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I would apply the face mask just to ensure I maintain the glow I had achieved. So it became a weekend routine for me. Even if I should make the mistake to skip Friday because of a busy day, Saturday and Sundays, I make sure I do not skip it, to maintain the glow. Yeah, there might be one weekend or the other that I am too busy to attend, but I try to make sure it is not too far apart so that I don't have to go back to square one. It is just like any other beauty treatment out there. If you leave it, you go back to what you were before with time. Okay? But guys, this is safe, it's natural, and gives the bomber results, I can tell you. There are times also, let me add this, there are times also when I put in um, nutmeg powder as well. Yes, I do that at times, but it is not very necessary, because on its own, nutmeg will give you beautiful results. So if you do not want to use this one, you could do nutmeg powder and honey and still get good results. And don't forget, nutmeg has exfoliating particles in them. No matter how smooth you think the powder of nutmeg is, it has, just like cinnamon, it still has particles in it that would help to exfoliate your skin. So yeah, you should see results with nutmeg. But these guys, please, I think you should try it. And I would love to hear how the results was with you. So this is a beautiful cinnamon turmeric face mask, and I hope that you all get good results as you use them. I think I should say it's okay for all skin types, even though I am oily skinned. Yeah. So if you like this video, if you like what you've seen, please, I would love you to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you could get more out of what Jawpreneur is about. And I would also suggest that you go and have a look at my blog. It is jawpreneur.blogspot.com.ng, okay, or just simply jawpreneur.com sorry, jawpreneur.blogspot.com, and you are going to see so many interesting information, so many interesting posts to keep you entertained, to keep you enlightened, educated, and all of that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Bye till our next video.